going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. We are going to be starting with Murad. This is the oil controlling lotion that I use as a primer. This stuff's great. I'm just gonna pat that all over my face. Then I'm going in with the Clinique Chubby stick in Intense Ivory because I'm pale. And I'm putting that all over the face, just putting little streaks kind of everywhere. I like the way the stuff blends out, and it's quick and easy. Like seriously, this takes me like 10 minutes in the morning to do a full face of makeup for work. But yep, just gonna blend that in with a brush. I find that a buffing brush works the best with this. And then I'm just gonna cover up some of the areas that need a little bit more coverage and buff that in some more. Kind of only putting a second layer where I need it. And as you can see, this is a nice natural finish to it. Then I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer because I do not have a Clinique one. And I'm just going to buff that under my eyes with the same brush, just to keep it easy and simple. You just want to be very gentle while doing this so you don't tug on your eyes. Then I'm going to prime my eyes, and then I'm going in with the Clinique Chubby stick in Curvy Contour to contour my face. So I'm doing this before the powder, that way I can blend everything in. I'm just using a stippling brush to blend all this in. As you can see, it gives you plenty of time to work all the product in, but this just gives a really quick contour. Obviously I only lightly contour my nose, but blending this way does really seem to work well. Then I'm going to use the Chubby stick in Amped Up Apple as my blush and blend that in with the same brush. Let's keep it easy, keep it simple. Next I'm going to go in and powder, and then I'm going to go in with the Cream Pop eyeshadow as my highlight. It's nice and subtle. Then using a fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the Day Into Date eyeshadow duo, and I'm going to put this lighter shade all through my crease and all over my eyelid. This is a really quick and easy look, but it still keeps you looking put together. So I'm just going to blend that and blend it and blend it and blend it and just build it up until I get my desired color. Then I'm going to take the darker shade and put it on the outer corner, outer V area. Just going to kind of build that up, and then I'm going to blend the hell out of it. So I don't want any harsh lines, and this does blend very well. So just go through, put down the color, and blend. Add more as needed, but blend. Then going into the lighter shade, I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line and using the darker shade just on the outer corner, just to kind of brighten up the eyes a bit, and blend some more. And then I'm going to use the Flutter to Full mascara and the Black Honey lipstick. And there we go. That is the end of this tutorial. That is my 10-minute easy work makeup. Yeah. I'll see you next time. Bye!